Hello guys, welcome back to Motorcar. Right behind me is the new 2024 Ford Mustang. I'll show you guys the exterior and tell you some of the specs on this brand new Ford Mustang. If you're new to Motorcar, make sure you hit subscribe, leave a comment, and let me know what you think about this new Ford Mustang for the year 2024. Let's go. Offers a turbocharged 4-cylinder Ecoboost at the base level and a V8 in the GT model. We estimate the former will start around 30,000 and the latter at 40,000. The 2024 Ford Mustang gets closer to its summer 2023 sale date, and you'd expect a V8 engine to feel just right, but the new Mustang standard comes with an upgraded turbocharged 315 horsepower 2.3 liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine with 350 pound-feet of torque, and that's 5 horsepower more than the previous Mustang. The Mustang GT, however, comes with a 5-liter V8 and has a 6-speed manual standard. The last generation's V8 produced 450 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual transmission. It's finished in this exclusive gray exterior color. Love the front design here. LED headlamps with a single eyebrow at the very top, distinct for this new Mustang. Front fascia intakes down here. Functional with the Mustang insignia at the center right here, and small LEDs on the grille itself at the corner edges. It's got a rather boxy look, very aerodynamic as well on the hood. The front wheels finish in this bronze color with the Continental Pro contact tires. 234 comes with 235 40 R19 front tires. The side mirror housings finished in the same color as the car. Very elegant rear design, has the light at the corner, sloping roofline, privacy glass as you'd expect. I think it looks pretty decent. That's a brief look at the 2024 Ford Mustang. Make sure you subscribe to Motorcar for more car videos.